Welcome to the Cove Library Makerspace and to this short video to get you started making your first project using the 3D printer. Today, we will be making a 3D printed plant sign for your garden. We will be using Tinkercad, which is a free web-based 3D design software to create our design. You can go to tinkercad.com and create a free account. Once you have logged in, press Create and select 3D Design to start a new project. This will set up a blank work plane for you to create your design. On your blank work plane, you will see a grid set up in millimeters. There is navigation on the left-hand side. Across the top, there are some tools that you can use to design as well. On the right-hand side, there are some basic shapes. Select the red cube and drag and drop it onto the work plane. You can resize the cube to your desired size by clicking and dragging on the squares in the corners of the shape or by typing them into the measurement boxes. As we are making a plant sign, I will resize the cube to 150 millimeters in length by 10 millimeters in width by 4 millimeters in height. Then select the triangular prism and drag and drop it to the work plane. Rotate the work plane to view the triangular prism on its side. Then, with the triangular prism selected, click on the curved arrow and rotate the shape to 90 degrees. Click on the black cone shape and drag it up until it reaches 0 so that the triangular prism is level with the work plane. Resize this shape to 10 millimeters in length by 10 millimeters in width by 4 millimeters in height. Move the triangular prism to the end of the cube that has been previously resized. Highlight both shapes and select Union Group to attach the elements together. Click on the transparent cube and drag it into the work plane. Resize this transparent cube to 90 millimeters in length by 7 millimeters in width by 4 millimeters in height. Highlight both the transparent and solid shapes and use the Align tool to align the two shapes together so that the transparent shape is in the top right corner of the solid shape. With the two shapes still highlighted, select Union Group. This will allow the transparent shape to cut a hole into the solid shape. Click and drag the text element to the work plane. Change the text to carrot. With the text selected, click on the curved arrow and rotate the text to -90 degrees. Then resize the text to 85 millimeters in length by 12 millimeters in width by 4 millimeters in height. Highlight both the shape and the text and use the Align tool to align the text to the hole that has been cut out. Make sure both elements are touching each other. And then highlight both the elements and select Union Group to attach them together. Once you have completed your design, change the name of your project. Then click Export and then STL. This will save your design into a STL file. Once the file has saved, it will open up in Cura. Check the print settings at the top right corner of the screen and adjust these settings as desired. For this project, we recommend the default profile with the resolution as fast, infill density of 15% and adhesion on. Once you have adjusted the settings, press Slice. Cura will create a slice file with a time estimate and a filament requirement for the print job. Save this slice file to a USB and then come and see a staff member and we'll help you transfer it to the 3D printer. Once it's printed, here's the final article. Thanks for watching this video. Remember, stay safe, tidy up your workspace and come back. The Makerspace is open on the first and second Thursday of every month.